On Staten Island of a food delivery man who may have been lured to his death.
His body was found on a dead-end street in Mariners Harbor. CBS 2's John Slattery live near the scene with that story for us here today at noon. John?
Good afternoon. Police are still on the scene of this murder, which took place at the end of this dead-end street. Let's take a look. It's called Grandview Avenue. It's where a food delivery man was gunned down in the street last evening just before 9 p.m. He was supposedly delivering food to a customer here. That's what he must have thought. He was found near the vehicle that he was driving. Food bags were found on the street near his body. He had been shot once in the head. The victim, in his 50s, has not yet been identified. A police source tells us that police have recovered some very good surveillance video taken from the street, video of the suspects. Reporting live from Mariners Harbor, Staten Island, John Slattery, CBS 2 News.